Barry got into good position.
The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Manitowoc County and east central Wisconsin until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:04 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles west of Two Creeks and moving east at 100 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado, small hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Two Creeks and Point Beach Nuclear Plant. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.